Hi there, welcome to Caltex Academy. Today on our board we have some brief questions here on mole concept. So how do you tackle this number out and what is it even asking? So you can see from here the question is saying what is the number of molecules in 18 grams of water, and if you're already expert you can even see the answer straightforward, but if you're not, then let's go on and work together. So here what we have to do here is we have to know that the atomic mass of hydrogen is always 1 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Then from the question here we have been given 18 grams of water, so this is the mass of water given to us as 18 grams. So since we know this mass here, then we need the molar mass of water such that we can use it to calculate the number of molecules in that 18 grams of water. So now the next one is number of molecules of water, and we have to write the molecular formula of water as given to us here, and we see that okay, molar mass of water is given by, so you can see from here that there are 2 atoms of hydrogen, so I have 2 atoms of hydrogen multiplying 1 of each of that atom of hydrogen. So we can add this to the 1 atom of oxygen, which is 16. Now when we multiply this, we get 2, and we add our oxygen, and we get here 18. So what we have just got here is 18 grams per mole of water. Now, since I've already known the mass of water and I've known also the molar mass, then we can put a formula that number of moles of water is given by mass of water divided by molar mass, and molar mass of also water. So from here we can substitute in, we had 18 grams of water, and we had also 18 grams per mole of water, and we can see that the grams will cancel also by 18 goes 1, and therefore we only have 1 mole left here, and that is the number of moles of water. So therefore the number of molecules can be related using Avogadro's constant. And what is that Avogadro's constant? So we say 1 mole of any substance contains 6.02 to exponent 23 molecules, because the question is asking us to get molecules. There's difference between mole and molecules, and for us to be consistent, maybe we can erase this E out, otherwise it's the same thing. So for consistency, let's just write there mole of any substance. Now I've realized that we have also 1 mole only, therefore the number of molecules of water is also this one in 18 grams of water. So we say, so there are 6.022 exponent 23 molecules of water in 18 grams of water. Now we check for this number from the options, and that gives us the solution. Now you can see that part C of the question gives us the solution. And this is how we handle this kind of questions. Thank you for watching at this time. See you in the next video. Peace out.